My dog is gonna be in the background pretty much barking the whole time, so saying hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. Even though this is my everyday makeup tutorial, I do not wear makeup every day. Like, if I'm being completely honest, I think that I wear makeup like once a week, and it's literally to film videos for y'all and like go to dinner. Especially because I have such acne prone skin, I try not to wear a lot of makeup at all, and my skin has been loving it, or just loving it. So I hope this encourages you if you have acne prone skin like me. Hopefully this helps you in any way, because this is really the only routine that has not killed my skin. That's why I stopped wearing liquid foundation. That's why I stopped wearing just really heavy products in general. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. We're just gonna jump right into it today. Now, to keep my hair out of my face, I'm gonna be using some bobby pins because I don't have those, you know, cute little trendy hair clips that the Kardashians use that you can get on Amazon. Maybe one day, but not today. Just really basic when it comes to my concealer, and I use Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm going to take this and place it under my eyes, on my problem areas, so pretty much my whole face. And yeah, then I'm gonna be using not a beauty blender, it's one of those like sponges from Ulta. It's like a basic brand. I just realized that I didn't get this wet, so I'm gonna have to do that. And here we go. I used to be one of those girls that would do like the deep V on all of my eye, but I kind of just do like a basic little watch out, and then I have some nice pimples. Alright, I'm going to wet this bad baby and then we'll be right back. Alright, we have got a wet sponge. I'm going to blend this all together and get this show on the road. I feel like there's no difference in like beauty blenders and like other sponges. Like, I have used the Morphe one, I've used actual beauty blenders, and then I've used this one, and they seriously all do the exact same thing. So I'm like, why would I spend $500 on a freaking sponge that I could get at the dollar store? I don't really know. All right, now that we have it all blended together, I take my foundation. Now, before you like completely X out of this video because you're like, I did not sign up to watch Lauren's grandma's makeup routine, use Bare Minerals. Now, I've said it before, I have really sensitive skin, and as much as I love the way that liquid foundation looks on my face and like the porcelain look, my skin hates liquid foundation. Like, even when I buy foundation that's, you know, for acne prone skin, it just doesn't work out. I cannot do it. Matte Broad Spectrum SPF 15 foundation. I wear the shade light beige. It's like my perfect shade. Also one of those people that like when they go to Ulta or like Sephora and I'm looking for a foundation, like I do not like to take the time to like mash it all perfectly in my face. I'm like, oh, good to go. So to apply the foundation, I literally just use this kabuki brush. This is a MAC 181, throwing it back to the day when MAC brushes were like the ish. I still use them, so. So I'm just gonna buff this into my skin, and here we go. This is when I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I know you're thinking like, what the heck? Like, this is the most random order. I know I probably should have done eyeshadow before foundation, but I just like to go ahead and do this while I put this on my face. Now, I know this is not the best, what's this called? Loose face powder in the world. It definitely gives you that ghost cape, like when you do the flashback. This one literally smells like my grandmother's closet, but It does the trick, girl. It does the trick. That's doing whatever it's supposed to do. I don't know what the purpose of that is. I'm going to do my eyeshadow. Love this palette. It's by Huda Beauty and it is the Warm Brown Obsession. I don't know if they still sell the same palette, but these colors. I go into the crease first. I take this brush. Ooh, this brush came from a Naked palette that I used to have, or I still have it. It's really old, but it's a duo end Urban Decay brush. I take this one right here, and I usually either go into this one or I go in with that orangey one. I think I'm gonna be a little bit more dramatic today and go with the darker orange one. What y'all think? I'm gonna just like dig into those creases like you've never dug before, and here we go. To the other side. Now I am taking the flatter brush and I'm going into this gold color. This one's kind of a chunkier glitter gold, so you really have to pack it on. All right, now I'm gonna go into the other lid and do the same thing. Sweet. Now that I have both my lids not done, but like, you know, colored, I take, depending on what I'm wearing, if I'm wearing more pink tones, I'll go with this like purpley color. If I'm wearing more reddish tones, then I'll go with this one. But I'm gonna go ahead with this one down here with, this is actually a Sonia Kashuk brush that's like hella dirty, but it's fine. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the outer V corner area. Here we go. Now I have on the shadows, so I don't look like a clown. I'm taking my MAC brush. This is the 224. Y'all, I don't even know if MAC still like sells brushes. I don't think I've been in a MAC store in like 5 years, but these are the brushes that I've used forever. So I take this and I take this white shade, dab it into, and as I blend that up, I'm just gonna like whoosh and blend the rest of the shadow. So we want them inner corners to pop. I'm taking this like sparkly white color that I've literally had since I was out of the womb. This little crappy brush that I got with like a Urban Decay eyeshadow palette. And I'm taking that sparkly white. It's literally just like a sparkly white cream shadow from MAC. It's called Fusion Gold. I know they don't sell this anymore because, like I said, I've had these things since like Vietnam War. So I know they don't have them anymore. But I'm putting this on the inner corner of my eyes right there, just so that it pops. I do not put eyeshadow under my eyes, y'all. I think it looks so cute on other people. I look like a clown when I do that. Clown, like straight out of the circus. So I'm not doing that. But it's time to brush away the powder. So I'm going to take, this is like a Too Faced blush brush, kind of like whoosh it away. Like so. So I'm gonna take my favorite blush, this Tarte blush. This is called Paarty, P-A-A-A-R-T-Y, and it is an Amazonian clay 12-hour blush. I'm like really almost out of this, y'all. It's a mini one that I got in a birthday set, and I'm just going to cheek it up. But if you don't like a lot of blush, like totes understand, not everyone likes the circus clown look like I do. I saw this post of someone talking about how we look like Neapolitan ice cream when we do the bronzer, blush, and highlight, and I've never related to anything more because I totally love Neapolitan ice cream. Does anyone else? I'm gonna go ahead in with my brows. This is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit, and then the Anastasia It's just like a brow wand. But I use the wand that's like super dirty, and I just kind of like maintain them. I made the mistake of tweezing my eyebrows way too thin back in like early high school, and I don't think they really ever recovered. This is where this comes in. I need to actually get a darker color because I think that they make my brows not dark enough, but I just like, it has a little bit of a color tint to it, and I just kind of brush it through and fill in any holes with it. Then I go back in with the comb and just like make sure that the lines are blended well. Alright, so last thing is this mascara. It is my fave mascara in the world. Actually from a company called Red Aspen. I was sent this like 6 months ago. I used it, never really posted about it because they sent this to me like as just like a free fun product. They actually sent me like nail stuff. That is what I reviewed on my Instagram. But this I posted about, or I haven't posted about, and I've been using it and loving it. And it's called the Pump It Up Maggie Mascara from Red Aspen. This is in Black is Black. And it's just like no other. You do not need to spend $40 on a mascara, girl. Like, it's not necessary. Like, what? I actually used to have fake lashes. I had them for 6 months because of a 6-month membership that I signed up for, and y'all, they ruined my lashes. They completely fell out, and I was like, never again, never again. Mascara is done. Lips, I'm like a pretty basic gal. I use this Tarte lipstick probably way too much, but it's in the color Siesta. It's like the Tarte of the Sea collection at Sephora. So I'm just gonna go in with this. Sugar. Duh, highlight, duh. I use a MAC highlight. I'm telling you y'all, all of my makeup is literally from MAC because I used to be a MAC beauty fiend. This is a MAC highlighter in soft and gentle mineralized highlight finish. Don't know if they still sell these. I will look and see. I also use the Anastasia highlight palette, so I'll tap that as well. This one is just a lot softer than the Anastasia one, so I like to use this more on a seriously? Girl. And I do a little bit on my nose, but nothing crazy, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching my everyday makeup tutorial. But y'all, just a reminder, you are beautiful and you don't need makeup. Thank y'all again so much for watching my video. Please hit subscribe if you've made it this long. Also, I want to start doing where if you have watched an entire video, comment below and let me know what your favorite thing to do during quarantine is, whether that be reading books or starting a new hobby. Let me know down below. I would love to know if you've made it this far into the video. Bye.